Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes, which is called the Valval. The Valval is a dish which is made with gourds, that is the rich gourd, the ivy gourd, the pumpkin, the ash gourd, and the snake gourd. So basically all the gourds that are available in this season, in the summers, we're going to use this and make a yummy curry like a stew with coconut milk. So for that, I've taken 100 grams of each. Ivy gourd, which is tindley, pumpkin, 100 grams, ridge gourd, which is turiya, and snake gourd, which is the lamba padwal, and ash gourd, which is also known as kohara. So all these vegetables, I've taken some French beans as well. So all the vegetables, I have chopped it into 1-inch cubes, and the ivy gourd, I have cut it into 4 lengthwise. So now I'm going to put all these vegetables in a cooking utensil along with some whole cashew nuts. I'm going to add a liter of water to this, 4 green chilies slit, and I'm going to cover it and cook this till the vegetables are almost done. Let's check on the vegetables. They're almost done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a liter of fresh coconut milk into this. And I'm going to add some salt to this. Mix this well. And I'm just going to let this boil. So after giving it a good boil, I'm going to add a thickening agent to this. So I'm going to take some rice flour. I'm going to add some water to this and make a nice paste. I've taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour for this. So when you make this paste, see to that there are no lumps formed in this. And now I'm going to add this paste to my curry to give it body and make it slightly thick. And I'm going to continuously stir this till it becomes slightly thick. Our valval is almost ready. Now we'll just lace this with a coconut oil tadka. So I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And I'm going to add this to the valval. And the valval is ready to be served. So this Karwari Style Vegetable Stew, which is the valval, goes amazing with Neer Dosa as well as steamed rice. Personally, I like it with rice because I'm a rice eater from Karwar. So I enjoy this with rice. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting and simple recipes, like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.